This is Donald Barber with the J. Michael Manley team at Keller Williams, Greenville, Upstate, and today we have a brand new listing to hit the market at 1203 Clear Sale on beautiful Lake Kiowee. And actually from this home you have lake views from not just one side but two sides. You also have a gazebo over here for entertaining friends or guests. You also, because it sits on just over 2 acres of land, you have an opportunity to build a second guest quarters on the property. So let's go and check it out. In this kitchen you'll find granite, a hood over the range here, soft close cabinets, and also a stone accent wall. This home features 3 bedroom, 3 baths with the master on the main, the master bathroom, and another bathroom. Both have stone accent walls as well. Also another feature in here is your floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. That's a wood-burning fireplace. And lastly, there's a spacious loft area with a view of the lake on the other side. Lastly, I want to tell you about the amenities of Peninsula Point South, which is the subdivision where this home sits in. As you can see, it's right here on the waterfront. Some of the amenities include boat and trailer storage, a boat ramp for the community. Also, they're in the process of building a community dock for day use. As you can see here, we're out here on the sun deck. Over here is an entertainment center. It has bathrooms, and lastly, it has a huge double-sided fireplace for entertainment.